In today's video, I will walk you through how to find QID in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to the top area of the screen where the gear icon is located. The gear icon gives you access to setup and configuration options inside the platform. Once you locate it, click on the gear icon to open the available menu options connected to your Salesforce account. After the menu appears, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where different account settings and management tools are available. Depending on your connection and account activity, the setup page may take a few moments to fully load, so wait until all sections are visible before continuing. Once the setup page is open, move to the search area on the left side of the screen. Inside the search field, type Q. As you begin typing, Salesforce will automatically display matching setup options related to queue management and configuration. Continue reviewing the available results until you locate the option called Queues. When you find it, click on Queues to open the queue management section inside Salesforce. The page will then display the available queues connected to your account. After the queues page loads, review the list shown on the screen. In this example, the first queue in the list is selected to continue the process. Move to the queue name and click on the queue that you want to review. Salesforce will then open the selected queue page, where the queue details and settings are displayed. Wait for the page to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. Once the queue details page is visible, move to the top area of your browser window and look at the URL displayed in the address bar. The queue ID will appear directly inside the page link shown in the browser. Continue reviewing the URL carefully until you locate the highlighted value connected to the queue. That value is the queue ID associated with the selected Salesforce queue. If the page refreshes or takes a moment to update during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish loading before continuing. Some setup pages may respond more slowly depending on account activity and system performance. The process includes opening setup from the gear icon, searching for queues, opening the queue list, selecting a queue name, and reviewing the browser URL to locate the queue ID inside Salesforce. Once the queue ID appears in the browser address bar, the process for finding a queue ID in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.